Hello everyone, welcome to Tiny Wonderland. You asked for it. Completely by accident, by the way, not on purpose. It was not on purpose, I can assure you of that. I was working on another project in another video which you can check out. We got ourselves a Bauer heavy duty skill saw, portable skill saw, 5.8 amps. A orbital jigsaw from Chicago Electric, and a variable speed oscillating multifunction power tool. All three of these, we're going to plug them in and we're going to run them at different times and together on the Zendure SuperBase Pro. This is going to be the ultimate load test. We'll see how it does. That's all next. We're going in a hole, hang on. Okay. That's okay, we're in a hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
They say wait for the red light to be blinking. Hello everyone, welcome to Tiny Wonderland. It's your old pal Jay. I am here with the SuperBase 2000 Pro from Zendure. I've got it plugged into an extension cord running outside. We're at 99%. I've just enabled amp up mode on the development app, and it's connected by 4G. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go outside. We're going to see, we're not going to see in here, okay? We're not going to see in here. We're going to try to stress test this in a real crazy way, okay? So, welcome to my madness. And that doesn't want to shut properly. Let's go here maybe. Oh, wow. Do that enough times and you're not going to have anything. Okay, we're putting shoes on for safety. I should have gloves on actually. Let me go get my gloves on just for safety because we're going to be messing with well, you'll see in a second. But definitely want to, oh yeah, do that about 3 times and you're not going to have an extension cord. Okay, here's my gloves. Alright, you know what if we do this? I don't think that's going to work, but let me try that, huh? See, if it wasn't for the flies, oh crap, look at that. That was one cut. Wow, that was unexpected. That was not part of our test. It's okay though, because when you have a tiny home, you have a ton of tools. I literally just got done doing, well, we're not even done yet, but doing a whole project in here, so there's a ton of tools available right now. Otherwise I would have to go dig for this. I don't even know that this is gonna work. Yeah, see, this isn't even gonna, that is not gonna do it. Okay, that's fine. We have this guy. I brought him out earlier thinking I was gonna need him. Okay, I've got 100 rolls of this up top in the storage case, so if you ever see me on the side of the road and you need electrical tape, it'd be help if we actually had a, okay, there we go, we're starting. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and go like this because this is already taking a pretty good beating from the, this is not part of the video obviously, but whatever, we can't really avoid what happens here. Okay. And I apologize for this very crappy sidetrack. but you're along for the ride as it happens. Okay, so we're just going to leave this open just for safety. Okay, flies are going to love that, but whatever. Okay, on to what we were going to do. We have here a Chicago Electric jigsaw, brand new blade, a Bauer mini skill saw, takes the same amps, it's just they've designed it differently. A Chicago Tools, we call it a magic saw, but it's a multi-tool. A Chicago Tools Dremel, and I believe that's a Chicago Tools wood burner / plastic welder, whatever. You're probably going, what are you going to do? Well, we're going to take this cord from the Zendure, and keep in mind, while we're doing all this, we're actually going to be recording what the Zendure is doing inside. So just because you don't see the Zendure doesn't mean it's not part of this test, because it is. The Zendure is the only thing, I mean, this is the only thing they're going to connect to. Now, I have 3 outlets, and that's it, guys, 3. If I want to do more, you know what? We can do more. We're going to really, really crank this thing out, guys. This is going to be, you guys are going to love this. All right. Everyone's been saying, test this, test that. Well, you know what? Your wants and wishes are over. All right. I'm going to shut that light off so we get a complete focus on what's going on in there. All right. We're going to carefully shut this. Just like that. Yep. Go ahead and enjoy that, flies. Okay. I have the ability now to plug everything in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start something and I'm going to cut this pallet up. Okay? Each thing is going to go through the process. Then, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but we're going to try to run them all at once, see what the Zendure puts out. Keep in mind, these are all high wattage devices. The Dremel is going to be definitely a wattage device. So let's put the Dremel on first. Okay. So we're going to plug the Dremel in here. We're just going to leave him over there by himself once we get him plugged in. Okay, set. And he's just going to chill right there. Right now the Zendure is probably giving us a reading, and I'll bet you it's a vicious one. Okay. We're going to give him a couple seconds to do his thing. Remember, this is the Chicago Electric variable speed Dremel. It's basically a knockoff. I've been hit with so many of those bits. Okay, we're going to power him down now. So the reading we see should show the Chicago Electric Dremel. Okay, next up, we're going to plug this guy in. He is a Chicago Electric wood burner. Is he on? Yep. Okay, this is going to take a minute. So I'm going to come back when that's nice and hot. Okay, we're back. This is red hot. And we're going to just go over here and go, yay! P H. Those are my initials. Alright. And we'll just do a little. So as you can see, that sucker is red hot. It's burning right through the wood, all of it. Look at that. Like, so the Zendure right now is probably showing some serious wattage. You can see the smoke coming off of this thing as I burn this wood with it. So you can clearly see that. Okay. All right, so we're going to unplug that. Next up, we're going to do a little cutting with a Chicago Tools cutter. Now this thing is also variable speed. Variable speed Chicago cutter, Tools cutter. I'm going to put on max speed. Okay. Okay, that should have demonstrated the power behind that. So that was the Chicago Electric Power Tools variable speed cutter. Did a few things with that. All right, next up, we're moving on to this thing. This is so cool. It's a Bauer construction skill saw. This thing is mean, guys. I mean, it is mean. Like, this thing, it's not your average, like, this thing, it just goes through this like butter, right? Watch this. Okay, let's adjust the blade so we can get a nice feel of where our blade's gonna go. Yeah. Okay, think about right there is good. Okay, we don't care about measurements because we're just, okay, let's activate this puppy. All right, let's give it a little more of a challenge. It says this thing can cut through 2x4s. Obviously we can't go deep enough to go through because it's not a long blade, but we can cut it. You know what? Hold on. We need, well, I need a 2x4. Like a straight up, you know what? No, I don't. No, I don't. I'm thinking wrong. My bad. Let's take this stupid thing off. It's like a dust cover or something. Okay. Supposedly, this will cut through an entire 2x4 at its deepest setting. Now, this is a dangerous way of doing this because we've got cords, but if we set it right, whoa, almost. A little trimming to do. Ooh. I'm not the best aim, but you can see that it's gone through. Okay. Whew, that was fun. Okay, that was the Bauer. That thing is awesome. Look at that thing. Okay. All right, we're gonna unplug. That was the Bauer skill saw. And our last contestant, never even used, got it just for this test. Well, not for this test, obviously. True story. I used to own one of these when we built the Tiny Wanderer, but at the very end of it, I gave it to a friend of mine who'd helped us through it because I didn't think I'd ever need it before, and now I have it. All right, this is the Chicago Electric oscillating speed skill, jigsaw. Okay, let's get it to max. I don't know what this does. Really? Huh. Oh, I see it. Move the blade. All right, let's do it. Oh, like a kid in a candy store. Woo! That was fun. Okay. The next step, I'm not sure how we're going to do it. I'm going to try it. I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to plug everybody who wants to play in here. That's everybody. We're plugging everyone in here. So everyone's getting their own spot. That one's on. Okay, we'll set that over by the hot burner there. And this guy. Okay. This is everybody, okay? All at once. This is what should be showing up. I don't trust that thing, so we're going to leave it over there. Nope. Okay. There we go. Wait. Okay. I simply cannot give you guys any more than that, okay? I can't. That was the Bauer skill saw. Had way too much fun with that. The Chicago electric jigsaw, the Chicago electric magic saw, the Chicago electric Dremel, and I think it's Chicago electric wood burner. Those are all very high wattage devices. They were all powered inside by the Zendure Pro. I'll let the results speak for themselves. We'll be running it through the video once I edit it. It's going to take a minute to put this one together because I'm using two cameras. But, woo! Oh, that was fun. That was so fun. And by the way, that's all the electric I own. My Ryobis are all battery operated. My drills, my light, my pump, my compressor, my Sawzall, my radio, they're all battery operated, all of them. So you have seen everything I could throw at the Zendure. Now, obviously, I could have put the air conditioner on there if I wanted a really, really hard stress test, but I was trying to see how much amperage we could drive on the Zendure. Now, obviously, we see it in wattage, but, Ohm's law, volts times amps equals watts or something. I suck at Ohm's law, so to be completely honest with you guys, before I leave, I'm going to tell you this. I am not a technical tester. I am a real world tester. I would use the Zendure in the field to deconstruct my tiny home or my vehicle should something go wrong. I would hope it wouldn't, but I would have the tools at my disposal and the power to do so. You saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high wattage tools running at once. The results will speak for themselves. I can't tell you to buy the Zendure based on this. This is none of what I'm telling you is to go out and buy the Zendure. It's an amazing product for me. For me, guys, okay? Here, I'm going to do something. This is going to be, okay. Hi there, Jay from Tiny Wonderland. The Zendure SuperBase Pro 2000 is a product that I like for me. I got it for free to do the testing. So there's a considerable less investment that you would have to make, and I respect that. I understand that you're concerned about putting the money down, if your unit's going to work, if the app's going to work, but I ask that you guys be patient with this company. It's a brand new product, but you know what? do the research. Zendure's not a brand new company. This is just a brand new foray for them. They've already got that super tank and a few other things out there that I don't even know anything about. I have always wanted to own one of these, and being tiny and living solar, living completely off the grid like this, guys, I have literally wanted to have one of these forever. And now that I do, I am testing it for you guys, and I'm using it for myself, and I am telling you that I would put the money down on the Indiegogo campaign. Based on what I've seen here, I would buy it for me. You have to decide what you're going to do for you, if it's going to work for your applications, okay? To quote Bill from I Ride Tiny House Adventures, my internet friend Bill and Deb, who I love to death, great couple, check them out, I Ride Tiny House Adventures. I'm doing what's good for me. You have to do what's good for you. On that note, you know what? I don't want to end this episode with my ugly face, so hold on a second. Let's do something here. I got something for you guys. That is not my project. I don't even want to talk about that. That has nothing to do with me at all. I know it's not the best one, guys, but there's the horse I spooked earlier. Hey, Gotti! He's not looking at me. Oh, he's looking over here. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you for watching Tiny Wonderland. If you like what you see, subscribe. There's more crazy adventures on the way. As far as the Zendure, it'll probably be with us for many, many years. This is a prototype unit, and obviously we're going to have to change this one in for a full-fledged unit when everything is completely finished on it. But, okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe, everyone.